Hello, this is me again. This is another update. Right now it's about 5:35 at night, and it looks like it's getting dark, and he's still here. Those are construction workers. Still January 16, 2023. Yep. I wish they actually just go away. And I know we can't do aftermath in the dark. The last time we did that was it was on January 3rd or 4th recently. Now we know we always do aftermath before it gets dark. We never go over there when they're working. That's my motto. I'm only go over there when they're not working, when they're not around. Because if I go over there, I don't want to get busted. Middle in the crossfire. You know what I mean, interference. That's why I wait when they leave, when they walk over there. Yep. Hopefully tomorrow morning when they're not there, we'll do the aftermath video. Early in the morning, probably from my room. Maybe they'll just come like maybe late tomorrow or something. Yep. This is like the first 2 weeks ago when they started working for about 3 hours, 2 hours the most, and then they started to rain. They bring in like some new bulldozers and such. I can't see you, it's still dark out there. There's the truck over there. So there you have it, folks. They're still surviving after 10 or 11 straight hours of this work. So hopefully maybe I'll see you tomorrow if I ever do the aftermath of this the construction site for what they did. Yep. Till then, this is your guy, Daniel Drusky, saying so long, good night, and please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other previous videos of the construction. Have a good night and stay safe. Enjoy these videos. Bye.